Are you the party in person?
Yes.
Prabal Pratap.
Yes. Mr. Judicial Servant, I order you to order the registration of FIR against ACP Vikas Nagar Lucknow and
You're
Duplex
ordering me.
Technologies.
You're ordering us.
I am the sovereign and Duplex Technology Services for running cybercrime syndicate in across the country. That's all from my side. Everything is on record in 150 file, 5 pages of the file, and that's all from my side. And these are few papers I have. So at this point, ये दे देना मादरचोद CGI